Did the North Carolina Department of Labor fail to protect workers during the pandemic? A list of labor groups say they did fail. As they call for change today, a judge heard just what they believe is the case. While some North Carolinians worked from home during the height of the pandemic, many did not have that choice. Essential workers in factories, healthcare, grocery stores, and agriculture continued to labor at their job sites.
Although in October we were more than 7 months into the pandemic, there were still no enforceable worker protections in North Carolina related to COVID. Workers did not feel safe at work, and there was nothing they could do about it.
Civil rights attorneys argue that there were 91 workplace deaths in 2020, and 26 of those were related to COVID exposure in the workplace. They say the North Carolina Department of Labor and then Commissioner Cherie Berry denied a petition to issue temporary emergency rules that would have established COVID protocols to help keep people from catching COVID-19 at work.
The answer is because it would not serve the purpose for which it is intended.
The attorney for the state says such emergency rules are not allowed under state law.
Labor would immediately have been sued, and it would have lost. It would have engendered the animosity of the employers and the animosity of the General Assembly.
The Department of Labor with the CDC did inspect meatpacking plants that had COVID outbreaks, but workers do not believe that was enough, as they claim much of what was needed was left up to the employees.
They were providing protective equipment when employers failed to do so, providing food and financial support when workers had to be out of work for a while due to COVID. They helped pay for funeral expenses and hospital expenses.
And workers do worry about another wave or the next pandemic, if we have one, that there'll just not be any protocols in place for workers at that point either.
All right, Russ, thank you.